In MySQL, we have a command called flush, and it's used to clear caches and reload data and reload the configuration settings whenever you make any change in the configuration files of your MySQL server, or you do any change on the privileges, the tables, things like that. You can use the flush command to reload the data and refresh them to make sure that the changes have taken effect and the other users can see your changes immediately. One example of flush is doing it on the privileges. We talked about users, permissions, and privileges in the previous video, and here you can see an example of flushing privileges that is done by typing flush privileges, and this will reload all the permissions on the server. Also, doing flush tables will reload all the data inside the tables on your server. We have another command that is flush hosts, and this will refresh the records about the hosts that are allowed to access the MySQL server. Also, we have flush status that sets all the variables on the server to 0, and it's very useful when you're about to monitor and watch the processes on your server. Another usage for the flush command is doing flush logs, and this will close and reopen all the log files and reset them. The log files like query logs and error logs and so on. Also, if you have a select query stored in the memory, you can clear that cache by doing flush query cache. And these are different usage of this command that helps you reload and refresh the data and make sure that all the data are up to date.